you attacked that house?
The one that I really attacked is my wife. It's my wife. So when I closed for church, I went there. So I entered the cupboard, I knocked on her window. Asked who was that? So it's me. To come out.
Hello my people, how na dey? Host na dey fine. My people, now remember this video where I blog. I can't tell now, say if I see the update of the man where be say he bought this house, I go bring am come. So the video where be say they tell ask the man wetin make her come burn this wife, ex-wife house. I go put am for una. Una know say this woman na Italy na she dey. So all those women wey be say that they do business to Naija, they will still they carry something from Nigeria, they come abroad. Like this woman be. This thing happened on the 31st of December where we just passed, so 2024. Like this thing say happen. According to the woman, because I said me I just like talk am again for those people where be say they no can remember this video. According to this video, this woman na married woman. So he with the husband can't get misunderstanding. I think 2023 he can't like okay no they do again because the man put money for his head. He can't return the money. So the man no he not take the money back because he wants his wife back. Now this one be the problem where be say most women then they face and most men then they face. After where be say the marriage not dey, they not dey a good time again. If the woman return money, the men they not they take. It happen for many of marriage, which is very bad. Because men, if woman say no they do again, I beg, kukuma just leave van. Because you know say I don't dey outside. Nothing you can do so that woman go come stay with you again. Okay? May una get this one for head. Now he cause this thing. So wait this man. Because I said the woman not they do again. Because you know say some men go say, if you don't deal with me, you not go fit deal with any man. If I see you with anybody, na problem. Maybe this man no say this woman don't they like get another man. So that jealousy of her na my wife because he not take the money where be say put for his head. Now make can go this woman house. If you want buy this woman, say na today now you go see life rich. I go still report the video of this woman. Then I go put the one where husband take talk. I go attach them together so that when I go listen to the full video. Men una be careful. If woman love you, then they know. If woman not love you again, just know say nothing you can do for that woman to love you so that you go get her back. Nothing you can do. The best thing, if you put money for your head, collect your money, leave that woman, make it free, make it they go. Life goes on. This life too sweet. Oh, why you want buy person because of say no one do again. All in the name of say the woman must stay with you. Nothing you can do. You no one say, no one say. You understand? So this video I go end up for here. Make I put the two videos together. Make una listen to the man as they ask him question because even the man able to say na him wife. You understand? Because if like you no one let go. I know say sometimes when we say your age don't reach like 50 years, you come they ask yourself where you from one start. Who you want on like another woman where you want on you stay start. But you better make you dey single than you can't dey like inside marriage where be like marriage. Okay, not be everybody God thought say he go then go marry then go stay together forever and ever. Okay, some people they will be say they're not married, they are happy. Why some day where they inside the marriage, you be like say now inside marriage now they day. All right, my people. All right, please send me to love and like and share this video. God bless you as you do. I really appreciate each and every one. May I put the video together so that when I listen to the woman, then at the end the man also. Now bye bye for now.
While the people of Edo State joined others all over the world to usher in the new year, a family in a house at number 7 Henry Asemota Street in Benin City had the worst moment of their lives. An international businesswoman, Uyi Tina, was married to a man identified as Osayo Aunwa, but the marriage broke down in irreconcilable circumstances. The woman was said to have returned the bride price to the family, which they said was accepted. Reports say the estranged couple have been having continuous squabbles for close to 1 year. The woman, Uyi Tina, returned to Nigeria from Europe on the 31st of December 2024 and checked into her house at Iduonwina in Benin City. But at about 1 a.m. on 1st January 2025, when the people were celebrating the new year, the said assailant stormed the house with a 4 liter of petrol and immediately set the entire house ablaze, while the woman and other occupants were inside. It took the intervention of neighbors for the woman to escape, but not without injuries. When EBS TV News visited the house, the building and other household items were completely burnt down. The car in the compound was also touched. Some family members expressed surprise over the attack.
Around 1 o'clock, they called me that break the window, spray the room, this very one. Yes. That's where she's sleeping.
What happened is there's a man she was married to, which they are no longer together, and bride price has been returned. So she came from abroad just on the 31st, and then the man got a wind that she's around. The man came to the house, broke the window, poured fuel into the house, and wanted to set her ablaze, but she was able to escape. But her documents, the money she brought in, and all others, all got burnt, and the house completely razed down.
The victim, Uyitina, who is now in the hospital, appealed to the police to expand their investigation on the incident.
Yesterday around 1 o'clock midnight, somebody hit my window. I just wake up. Who is that? When I hear voice, my ex-husband voice, say,
What does that mean?
They tell me, say, today, that be my last day, now today I will die for you. So when I hear the voice, now I start the chassis. Sarah, you want break my window? Sarah, you want break my window? Sarah, you want break my window? Come break the window. When you break the window finish, no get to run go. I may not want to open my door. May not come enter as in day as I inside the compound, that is inside the they might say, how many they enter the compound, but we lock gates. So the next thing when I see for him now, fuel, he carried and enter the window, start to spray fuel. Because Sarah came on wow, Sarah, you want bomb my house? Sarah, you want bomb my house? I want to try to find my document, but now yesterday, now I come down from Italy. And they do Italy business, they carry load, they go, carry load, they come, they carry arrow, they go, carry load, go back. So people when they Europe, they will still give me arrow, me I carry come back to Nigeria. So that yesterday I start my month not start. So I not figure deliver the message. So all the message there, so I called them, because on second day I bring everything. So okay. I they try to find where I even keep, I'm not even know where I keep things again. The next thing when I hear, boom, me I run come and my dog just back, boom, I don't force myself, open the door. That's why I take come.
So fire?
Fire on fire. When they give me for Italy, me I supply, me I give them for area. The money born about 42,000 euro. It born. All my gold, my things, my document, my Italian documents, everything born.
This is the situation right now at Iglowina, where the house was completely burnt down, and then investigation revealed that the man who was alleged to have committed this crime is currently with the police at Ekiadolo Division. In our subsequent broadcast of our news production, we'll be able to update you further on the situation, especially a special interview with the man on why he actually carried out this dastardly act. From Iglowina.
A suspect identified as Osaro Ahunwan got married to his estranged wife in 2022. Later 2023, they started having marital disagreement, leading to a divorce, after which the woman was said to have returned the dowry to the family in April 2024, and both parties have lived separately. The report says the woman is into international business and comes to Nigeria frequently from Europe for her business. Police findings revealed that the woman came to Nigeria on 21st of December 2024 and was allegedly attacked in her house at Iglowina on Benin-Lagos Road in Benin City by the suspect, who allegedly set the house ablaze, destroyed her car, and attempted to use petrol to light her up. The victim narrowly escaped, but with severe injuries. Moments after the incident, the residents of the area called in the police, who arrested the man on the spot. The suspect speaks on his level of involvement.
Why did you attack that house?
The one that I really attacked is my wife. It's my wife. So when I closed for church, I went there. So I entered the property, I knocked on her window. As who was that? So it's me. He come and open door for me. So he refused. So then I was holding gallop for when I bought to pour on my generator also. So now you can put the window. That was how the fire.
For how long have you had issues that you are no longer together?
I left January after last 2003.
So since January 2003, you have not been together with her?
No, we'll be talking automatically she blocked me.
What time did you go to her house?
I think around after 12.
In the night, yes. Or in the daytime?
In the night.
So you went to her house after 12 in the night to burn it down?
When I closed for today, they shot close to her house. That was a crossover.
Edo State Police Public Relations Officer Moses Iyamu, who confirmed the arrest, said the case is between two former lovers, but the police would look at the criminality of the case and charge the man appropriately.
The police force has in custody the Osaro and one other officer accomplice whose name is yet unknown. The house was set ablaze and all valuables worth millions of naira, including a cash of 4,000 euros, were said to have been set ablaze. Her Lexus Jeep RX 330 was equally destroyed in the process. So the investigation is ongoing with a view to prosecuting the suspects.
As at press time, the victim, Uyitina, who is now recuperating in the hospital, laments the level of destruction of her car, her house, and the sum of over 4,000 euros lost to the alleged arson